Running a business is exciting. It's like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients, the perfect recipe, and a whole lot of love. But in the world of business, one secret ingredient can help your company rise to the top: the BCG Matrix. The BCG Matrix is a simple tool that helps you analyze your products or services. It tells you where to invest your resources for maximum growth and profit. Think of it as your business GPS, guiding you towards success. In this essay, we'll explore the ins and outs of the BCG Matrix. We'll use a fictional bakery, Sweet Treats Bakery, to bring these concepts to life. Get ready to unlock the recipe for business success. Imagine a graph divided into 4 squares. That's the BCG matrix. Each square or quadrant represents a different stage in a product's life cycle. The BCG matrix helps you answer crucial questions about your products. Are they growing rapidly? Are they generating a lot of cash? Do they require significant investment? By understanding where your products fall on the matrix, you can make informed decisions about pricing, marketing, and resource allocation. It's like having a secret weapon in your business arsenal. Let's meet the stars of the show. The 4 quadrants of the BCG matrix. Stars. Products with high market share in a rapidly growing market. They are the shining stars of your business. But they need constant investment to maintain their growth. These products are often the most exciting, driving innovation and capturing the attention of your customers. Cash cows. Products with high market share in a slow-growing market. They generate more cash than they consume, providing a steady stream of income for your business. These are the reliable earners, the backbone of your financial stability, allowing you to invest in other areas. Question marks. Products with low market share in a high-growth market. They have potential but require significant investment to become stars. These are the wild cards, the products that could either become the next big thing or fail to take off. Dogs. Products with low market share in a slow-growing market. They generate low profits and may need to be phased out or revamped. These are the underperformers, often draining resources without much return. Remember, the position of a product on the matrix can change over time. What's a star today might become a cash cow tomorrow. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your strategy is key to maintaining a balanced and profitable portfolio. Keep an eye on market trends and be ready to pivot when necessary. Section 4. Sweet Treats Bakery, a case study in delicious strategy. Let's visit Sweet Treats Bakery and see how they use the BCG matrix to whip up a winning strategy. This bakery has been a local favorite for years, known for its delightful array of baked goods that cater to a variety of tastes and preferences. Chocolate cake, the cash cow. Sweet Treats. Bakery's chocolate cake is a classic. This rich, decadent dessert has been a staple for the bakery, beloved by customers of all ages. It has a loyal customer base and generates consistent profits, even though the market for traditional cakes is not growing rapidly. The chocolate cake's enduring popularity ensures a steady stream of revenue, making it a reliable product for the bakery. Vegan donuts, the question mark. Sweet Treats. Bakery recently launched a line of vegan donuts to tap into the growing demand for plant-based treats. These donuts are crafted with high-quality, plant-based ingredients, appealing to health-conscious and environmentally aware customers. These donuts show promise but require more marketing and product development to capture a larger market share. The bakery is investing in creative marketing campaigns and refining their recipes to make these donuts a standout choice. Cupcakes the dog. Remember those adorable cupcakes that were all the rage? They were once the star of every party and celebration. Sweet Treats Bakery still makes them, but sales have dwindled. The once popular cupcakes now struggle to compete with newer, trendier desserts. They might consider discontinuing this product line or finding innovative ways to revamp them. The bakery team is brainstorming fresh ideas to breathe new life into their cupcake offerings, hoping to reignite customer interest. Seasonal pumpkin pie. The star. Every fall, Sweet Treats Bakery's pumpkin pie flies off the shelves. This seasonal favorite is eagerly anticipated by customers each year. It's a seasonal product with high demand in a rapidly growing market. The bakery capitalizes on this trend by ensuring they have ample stock and promoting the pie heavily during the fall season, making it a star performer in their product lineup. Section 5. Key takeaways: baking up a winning strategy. Sweet Treats. Bakery's product analysis reveals some important lessons. Invest in your stars. Pumpkin pie is a winner. It's not just a seasonal favorite but a symbol of quality and tradition. They should allocate resources to marketing and production to maximize profits during the fall season. Nurture your question marks. Vegan donuts have potential. With the rise of health-conscious consumers, this could be a game changer. With some tweaking and promotion, they could become the next big thing. Milk your cash cows. Chocolate cake is a reliable source of income. It's a classic that never goes out of style, loved by all age groups. They should maintain its quality and consider slight price increases to maximize profitability. Even a small price hike can significantly boost revenue without deterring loyal customers. Don't be afraid to say goodbye to dogs. Cupcakes are dragging them down. Despite their initial popularity, they no longer meet customer expectations. It's time to cut their losses, or find a way to reinvent them for a new generation of dessert lovers. Innovation and adaptation are key to staying relevant in the competitive bakery market. Section 6. Ready to rise to the occasion? The BCG Matrix is a powerful tool for any business, big or small. By understanding the life cycle of your products and services, you can make strategic decisions that drive growth and profitability. So there you have it, the BCG Matrix explained simply with the help of Sweet Treats Bakery. Now go forth and conquer the business world, one delicious decision at a time. Section 7. Disclaimer. This content is for informational purposes only. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional financial advice. Always consult with a qualified and experienced professional before making any significant financial decisions.